The best way to carry out damaged data recovery, damaged information recovery, is realistic when you move quickly enough. Actually, the initial step you'll want to take isn't to react. The only real method you can significantly hamper your probability of retrieving data that appeared to be lost is when you put more info on the hard drive. This is because of the way the operating system references the information which is kept on each sector of your hard disk drive. If your recycle bin is emptied, or when something goes wrong with the operating system, the files itself is not really deleted. The particular files which point towards the data, and allow the operating system to reference it, are deleted. The actual files can continue to be accessed by any software that is actively searching for them, which, naturally, is precisely what a recovery utility is going to do. Where the operating system is concerned, although the files aren't overwritten, they're of simply no importance anymore. The space which they sit on is regarded as free space cleared for any future software programs or data to occupy. The previous information will be overwritten and permanently lost once the fresh data is placed onto the hard drive. It cannot be stressed enough so that you cannot write anything to a hard drive that you're looking to recover files from. Precisely what actions you should take to try to effect your damaged data recovery depend on exactly how the problem transpired to begin with. Did you remove a file you should have retained? Did you have a failure of the operating system which will now not acknowledge the data? Or is there a hardware problem with one of your hard disk drives on which crucial data is kept? Retrieving a file that has been erased in error is simple, except if the hard drive has since been written to. Just download some no-cost recovery software to a different computer system, transfer the file to a flash disk drive, and run it from the flash disk drive on your primary computer. This computer software should simply be able to find the missing files if they have not been overwritten. It could also find any data files which have apparently disappeared due to a problem in the operating system. The most challenging problem to solve is one in which the hardware has in fact been damaged. A single technique that is definitely worth trying would be to freeze the drive. If it does work briefly while it is frozen, get the data off to a flash drive as soon as you can. The disk drive will shortly warm up, and could easily stop working again. If this crude technique fails, you will probably have to get in touch with a specialist, if you think the data is worth the expenditure. They have the equipment, the computer software, the various tools and the experience to take care of a decameter.